Hello everyone, my name is Mridul Agarwal. I am working at ISC Agarwal and I am working on hybrid electric vehicles. So today I will be explaining what the basic working of a hybrid electric vehicle is there, and I'll show it through the hybrid vehicle trainer over there, and I'll also show you this computer and how the software is getting connected to that trainer, and I'll explain every part. Okay, so just focus on this part. So you can see over here you have a car, okay, and you can see its configuration. This is your engine, okay, and these are the suspension systems, and this is the battery. Okay, you can also see the engine level uh, parts, so you can see the engines, isn't it? So this is a reciprocating engine. When we'll run, I'll show you everything, and we can also see the power flow across it. So you have a battery over here, you have an electronic module, you have a motor, and this is another motor. This is your planetary gear set, and this is your engine. And some engine can so some power can be provided from the engine and some power can be provided from the motor, and this power gets transmitted to this axle, and this is for the transfer to the wheels. You can also see the steering, and also this planetary gear set, how is it moving, and you can see the fuel tank, what is the fuel tank status, and you can also see the battery level and battery temperature. We'll see that, and we can also see the faults wherever the faults is there, and we can also see the temperatures and everything. Okay, so uh, basic working I'll explain. So you can see there are basically wheels over here, and these wheels are being powered by this battery. Okay, I'll show you on the trainer as well. So this is your battery, and this is your motor, and this is your planetary gear set, and this is your again a motor, and this is your engine. So we are basically using the power split method of the hybrid vehicles, and we'll be seeing the fuel economy as well in miles per gallon, and then carbon dioxide emissions in grams per kilometers, and the battery charge in percentage, what is the status of the charge, and how much is the energy being regenerated, that is what is the amount of energy that is given back during the braking and stored into the battery. So we'll be focusing on these parts as well, and we'll be seeing the temperatures. So first we'll control. You can see the hybrid vehicle trainer over here. So you can see a couple of things over here. These are the wheels, and this is the battery pack. This is the electronic module. You have a motor generator one, motor generator two, and these are connected through the planetary gear set. And this engine is also connected to this planetary gear set. And this planetary gear set delivers the power to the axle, and this power is being transmitted to the wheels. So you can see the physical model over here. You can see you can change your status from driving, neutral, and this is your reverse. Okay, so this is an automatic gearbox. Also, you have a parking system over here, and you can accelerate and deaccelerate using this option. We'll be doing it through the computer first, and we can also brake this vehicle with this one. And this is the fuel tank status. So this is telling you the fuel tank, and you can see you have a starter battery over here, that is 12-volt battery. So once you start the vehicle, basically 12-volt battery provides the initial power so that this vehicle gets the initial power to run. And you can have charging and discharging of the HV battery, hybrid vehicle battery as well. And you can see the status of the battery temperature as well, ambient air temperature as well, and the AC, air conditioning temperature. And there are several modules inside it. You can see over here we have a hybrid vehicle electronic control unit, in which we can see the electronic modules temperature, motor generator 1 temperature, motor generator 2 temperature, and we can also take out whatever the water is required to cool the engine, okay, whenever is required through this electronic control unit. And we have also this ECM, that is a electronic control module, that will allow us to open and close the valve using this variable valve timing position diagram. And then you have a AC air conditioning ECU. You can also connect it to the core heater so that basically heating and cooling of the coils is controlled and depending upon the ambient air temperature. And you can see that this vehicle basically gets power from both the battery pack and the engine unit. And if you see it on an electronic level, you can see that this whole blue line, the whole box inside it is basically the battery pack. Over here, it is electronic modules. So basically, you have got an engine over here. You can see an engine over here. So this is your engine, and this is your planetary gear set. Then your motor gear, motor generator 2 is over here. Motor generator 1 is over here. And you can see this battery pack. So this complete battery pack is over here, and this electronic modules is over here. Okay, and you can also see the fuel tank, and depending upon the fuel tank and the other readings, you can see the display over here where you can see the speeds. You can see that parking mode, driving mode, neutral mode, reverse mode, and the status of the fuel in the tank is it now. You can see it is half empty and half filled. You can also decrease or increase it depending upon the requirement. You can also fill it, or you can see the status when the fuel when the tank is empty. So it can be taken in both conditions. You can also see over here the carbon dioxide emissions in grams per kilometers. Then you can see the battery charge as well. So it should increase while it is in braking mode. I'll show you how it is. And then you can also see the energy generated in watt hours. And you can also see this condition. I can also see the speed in kilometers per hour. And you can see there you have a power option, so you can power this vehicle, power on and power off. And this is the point where you can insert, you can say that the vehicle is on, so you have put the key over here. So that's why there's a complete insider module for a hybrid electric vehicle. Now I'll show you how it basically works. So let us come to this software